Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Today we're going to learn about numbers. First, learning place set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you ready to learn about numbers with me? Okay, let's begin. This is the number 1. Can you help me find one item here? How many ducks are these? 3 ducklings. Do you see where the 1 is? Yes, over here. This is 1 apple. 1 apple. Can you tell me what color the apple is? Green. Well done. Let's do number 2. Where is number 2? What has 2 things? Is this the number 2? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not number 2. Where is number 2? Yes, over here. This is a boat. It's 2 boats. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 boats. Well done. Do you know what comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. Let's find number 3. Do you see 3 ducks anywhere? That's right. 1, 2, 3 ducklings. What color are the ducks? Yellow. That's right. Yellow ducklings. 3 yellow ducklings. Do you know what comes after number 3? Yes, number 4. Do you know where number 4 is? Yes, it's over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 flowers. 4 flowers. Let's put them over here. 4 flowers. Do you know what comes after number 4? Yes, number 5. Can you help me find number 5? Yes, 5 crayons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colorful crayons. Let's put them over here. That's 5 crayons. Let's do the next number. Do you know what it is? Yes, number 6. Let's find 6 cars. Did you find the 6 cars? Over here. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red cars. 6 cars. What comes after number 6? Yes, number 7. Well done. Can you help me find 7 colorful eggs? Did you find the eggs? Yes, they're over here. Well done. 7 colorful eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colorful eggs. What comes after number 7? That's right, the number 8. There is 8 yellow butterflies. Do you see the 8 yellow butterflies? Yes, they're over here. Let's count 8 yellow butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yellow butterflies. I wonder what comes after number 8. That's right. Yes, number 9. Do you see 9 colorful balls anywhere? That's right, they're over here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 colorful balls. What comes after number 9? Yes, number 10. Do you see 10 goldfish anywhere? Well done. They are over here. Let's count the goldfish together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 goldfish. What comes after number 10? 11. 11 leaves. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 leaves. We have one more number. Do you know what comes after number 11? Yes, it's number 12. 12 raspberries. Yum! Let's count the raspberries together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you so much for learning about numbers today with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!